Don't let me overdose, don't let me overdose, overdose. Don't let me overdose, don't let me overdose, overdose. I'm feeling crazy, going back and forth. Caught inside your store, but I want some more. High up your kisses and your deadly touch. Come on, pick me up, cause I need the rush. Let me fall, baby, let me drown. Can't breathe, give me not tonight. Got my heart beating, racing, not slowing down. Got me sweating, got me shaking, I'm freaking out. I took your love, think I took too much. Whoa. Somebody call the doctor, somebody call the doctor. I took it all, but it's not enough, no. Somebody call the doctor, somebody call the doctor.
You guys, this thing squirted everywhere, so please be careful when you're opening this little red tube.
Don't let me overdose, don't let me overdose, overdose. Don't let me overdose, don't let me overdose, overdose. I'm feeling crazy.
When you get to the frontal, be careful so you won't stain your lace, because this red dye will stain your lace. So go a little slow. It's fast forward, but I'm really going slow.
Me up, cause I need the rush. Let me fall, baby, let me drown. Can't breathe, give me not tonight. Got my heart beating, racing, not slowing down. Got me sweating, got me shaking, I'm freaking out. I took your...
Okay, y'all, we got to this part of my hair. Yeah, this is my first time doing a burgundy color. This color is the color that, you know, when you get in the light, you see it. I don't know if y'all could too much see it now, but in the light, it truly is burgundy. But it came out exactly how I wanted it. I didn't want it to be too red because for my job, you know, bright colors is not it. So this was the perfect fall color I was looking for. And look how much parting space. The last two wigs I did, boy, y'all been blessing me with the parting space. This hair is from Jaja Hair. It is a 20-inch straight hair. I washed it and all that. That's why it looks the way it is. We're going to style it. We're going to put it on and we're going to style it. I'm going to be doing a got to be glue spray method. I'm not going to put no ghost bond glue and stuff like that. So let's slay this hair.
Don't let me overdose, don't let me overdose, overdose. Don't let me overdose, don't let me overdose, overdose. I'm feeling crazy, going back and forth. Caught inside your store, but I want some more. High up your kisses and your deadly touch. Come on, pick me up, cause I need the rush. Let me fall, baby, let me try. Can't breathe, give me enough tonight. Got my heart beating, pressing my soul now. Got me sweating, got me shaking, I'm freaking out. I took your love, think I took too much. Whoa. Somebody call the doctor, somebody call the doctor. I took it all, but it's not enough. No. Somebody call the doctor, somebody call the doctor. Doctor, took your love, think I took too much. Whoa. Somebody call the doctor, somebody call the doctor. I took it all, but it's not enough. No. Somebody call the doctor before I overdose. You're like a circus running through my mind. Got those sneaky eyes. What you trying to hide? You're like a hurricane inside my face, but I like it, babe. So bring on the rain. Let me fall, baby, let me drown. Can't breathe, get me out tonight. Got my heart beating, racing, I slow down. Got me sweating, got me shaking, I'm freaking out. I took your love, think I took too much. Whoa. Somebody call the doctor, somebody call the doctor. I took it all, but it's not enough. No. Somebody call the doctor, somebody call the doctor. Doctor, took your love, think I took too much. Whoa. Somebody call the doctor, somebody call the doctor. I took it all, but it's not enough. No. Somebody call the doctor before I overdose. Don't let me overdose, don't let me overdose, overdose. Don't let let me overdose. Don't let me overdose. I'm feeling crazy, going back and forth. Caught inside your store, but I want some more. High up your kisses and your deadly touch. Come on, pick me up, cause I need the rush. Let me fall, baby, let me try. Can't breathe, give me enough tonight. Got my heart beating, pressing my soul now. Got me sweating, got me shaking, I'm freaking out.
Alright, y'all, I just finished the hair. But like I told y'all, the red is a red that you can see during the daytime in the sun. I insert a clip. In the morning I record a video of me and this hair in the sun so you guys can see it's actually red. This hair is really soft. Dang! That is really crazy to me. I was really trying to avoid doing straight hair because my last hair review was straight hair. But it's all good. This is where it goes. This is a 20-inch. I'm 5'3". That's a good thing about this hair. It took some curls. And when it flat iron, magical. Like, you know, when hair is stiff, it stay in one spot. Oh, this hair is $140, and with Amazon Prime, you can get it in 2 days. So get your Amazon Prime, and you can get this hair faster than you think, okay? You can slay faster than you think. It's my first time doing burgundy. I really like it. I wasn't trying to go for that harsh burgundy. So this hair dyes perfectly and still holds its softness. And this hair, the knots on the hair bleach perfectly fine. Everything about this hair will be in the description box below. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And press that bell so you can see when I post more videos like this. I love y'all so much. And don't forget to follow all my social media platforms.
I took your love, think I took too much. Whoa. Somebody call the doctor, somebody call the doctor. I took it all, but it's not enough, no. Somebody call the doctor, somebody call the doctor.